We'll guide you through how to deploy a site on Netlify web hosting. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Netlify website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up using your email or by connecting a GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Netlify dashboard. Look for the button that says New Site from Git and click on it. This is where you'll connect your repository to Netlify. Choose the Git provider that you're using, such as GitHub, and authorize Netlify to access your repositories. You'll then be able to select the repository you want to deploy. After selecting your repository, Netlify will let you configure the build settings. You generally won't need to change anything here unless your project requires specific build commands or directories. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Deploy Site. Netlify will start the deployment process, which may take a few minutes. You'll see a loading screen with deployment logs. Once the deployment is complete, Netlify will provide you with a temporary URL where your site is live. If you want a custom domain, you can set that up by going to the domain settings on the Netlify dashboard. You can either purchase a domain through Netlify or use an existing one by updating the DNS settings. And that's it, your site is now live on Netlify, and you can share it with the world. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.